Hello and welcome to the 21-day Sensory Awareness Series. I'm Luann Oliver with Heartswell in Arlington, Virginia. This series is where my love for mind-body work meets my expertise in couples and sex therapy. If you find this content valuable, please like and subscribe to help me help others. Hello, welcome to day 4 of the 21-day Sensory Awareness series. Glad that you're back. I hope you've been enjoying the practices thus far. Today we're going to use temperature as an anchor point. We'll begin with the breath work, just like we've done in the past, similar pattern, and I'll also be bringing your awareness to temperature. The practice today is going to be about 7 minutes long once I finish my introduction and we get into the practice. So just keep in mind, if that is too short or too long for you, you can set your own timer and kind of stretch the practice that we're doing to the length that is fitting for you. If 7 minutes feels like a long time and you find yourself checking the clock a few times, take note of when you started to do that, because you want to actually shorten your practice till you get to that point where you're expanding your span of being able to do these practices in a centered place. But once your mind is really going and you're really out of the practice, we don't want to teach your brain to get used to that. We want to allow your brain to stop, and then so just shorten it to that point and then just gradually increase it until you can do that longer. And when you get to that real distraction point, that's kind of your stopping point. So I'm going to set my timer here. Let yourself settle in. Give yourself any reminders that will be helpful for you to really be present for this 7 minutes. And begin to settle into your breath. Find your comfortable position where your airway is open from your nose and mouth all the way down to your belly. And just observe the breath and whatever's present for you in this moment without judgment. And with your next exhale, exhale completely till your belly contracts, giving a little puff at the end, bringing air in through your nose, filling your belly full, letting it expand and stretch, and releasing through your nose. We're going to stay with the nose for just a few breaths. In through your nose, filling your belly full, and releasing through your nose. And just notice what it's like for you to release through your nose. Let yourself recall that visualization of filling your vase of water, filling the lower belly, upper belly, lower lungs and upper lungs, and releasing in reverse. And notice what it's like again to breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. May feel like a stretch. If you choose to exhale through the mouth, that's fine. There isn't a right or wrong way. There are benefits to both. The most important thing is that you're aware and with this present moment, with your breath and with the movement. I invite you to shift your focus to the temperature of the air as it goes in through your nose, filling your belly full, and as you exhale, noticing the temperature as you release. noticing the coolness as it goes in, and the warmth as it goes out. Just notice if you find yourself getting distracted, and anytime distractions occur, just bring your awareness back to the guidance, to the focal point. Noticing the temperature of the air as it goes in through your nose and out through your nose. Again, using that visualization to fill your lower belly and your upper belly, and your lower lungs and upper lungs filling to the top, and releasing in reverse until your belly is empty, contracting at the end. And perhaps at this point in time, if you've been breathing through your nose, you'll switch to breathing out through your mouth and notice the difference. Again, bringing your awareness to the temperature of the air as it goes in through your nose and out through your mouth. And if you can, let yourself get away from deciding if you like the temperature or dislike it, but that you just allow yourself to be present to it. And also with the difference between breathing through your nose and your mouth, letting go of preferences and just experiencing the sensation. Just noting and being present to the differences, perhaps the difference in temperature. Maybe the texture of the air feels different. And now just bring your breath back to a natural pace without any efforting. Take a moment to observe and notice any shifts that have occurred in your mind or your body since you began this practice. Without expectation, just letting it be as it is, but noticing. Thank you for being here today. I invite you to repeat this practice perhaps later on in the day. Twice a day would be lovely. To do a short meditation, but whatever you can do is somewhere to begin. Thank you for being here. See you tomorrow.